class. Today we're doing Unit 6, Lesson 7. Looks like this. The page number is 329, and we are doing this page, the one on the back, also page 331, and then something fun after you have done the math on this page. So first we're just going to go over what we're doing here. This is kind of a review about what we have done in the previous lessons, where we are just going to see if we need to make a new 10 or a new 100. So we are going to add. You can use any method, whether it's new groups above or new groups below, or you can do show all totals. As you can see, I have put the box there on all of them. Can you see how I put the boxes there on all of them? So they are there to help you when you do this. So it says 6 plus 8, is that more than 9? We know that it is. We know that it is 14. So that is why I put that number there. And then remember the number that is in the ones place. I draw my arrow over here to the ones place and write it down there. And then I take that new 10 and I draw my arrow up there and put that new 10 at the top. Now I am ready to add the numbers together in the tens place. So 7 plus 3 I know is 10. So I know I'm going to have to carry one over into the hundreds place. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Add one more, it is 11. So you know I don't just put 11 down there. We put 1 here. And then if you want to do new groups above or new groups below, I'm going to do another one, new groups above. So that shows my new 100. Now I will add those together. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And there I have it. That is my answer. Now I have to answer the questions. Did I need to make a new 10? Well, yes, I did. You can see right there. So I will write down yes. The next question says, did I make a new 100? Yes, I did. I made a new 100. So for both of those questions, I would write down yes. Now, it may not be like that on every problem, so you need to remember the rules that we've talked about and to look at them carefully. Now, if you notice, some of these problems were written down. I'm going to put that up there. They were written down on the horizontal way, and I rewrote them the vertical way. I've told you that for several months now, that it's easier to do these problems and to do it the way that we've learned if you write them the vertical way. So you can do all of this process there and here. So go ahead and do exactly what Miss Staley did with hers before you get started. And then when you are done doing the problem, then you ask yourself those questions. Did I make a new 10? Did I make a new 100? Now on the back, it gets a little bit more complicated. Now we're going to see if I made a new 10, a new 100, or a new 1,000. Well, let's see. Let's do that first one. 5 plus 2. Is that more than 9? No, it isn't, is it? So we know that 5 plus 2 is just 7. So I can go ahead and put that down there. The next part of the problem is 9 plus 7. So we have to ask ourselves, if I add together 9 plus 7, is that more than 9? Well, of course it is, right? So 9 plus 7. I'm going to wait for a second to give you a chance to figure that out. Okay, so we know that the answer is 16. But I don't put my 16 all down there. I am going to put the new groups above or below. I think I'll do the new groups below there to make a new 100 and 1, 2, 3. So my final answer is 367. Let's go through and answer those questions. Did I make a new 10? Did I need to make a new 10 on that one? No. So I will put down no. Did I need to make a new 100? Yes, I did, didn't I? Did I need to make a new 1,000? Nope, we were still just left in the hundreds. So I would say no. Because remember, in order to have 1,000, you need 4 numbers, right? And we didn't have that. We only have the 3 digits instead of 4 digits. So like I told you, it will vary depending upon which problem you are doing. So as you go ahead and do the rest of those, some of these numbers may be 1,000. Okay, going on to this one, I'm just going to quickly tell you, this is kind of a fun page. It's called Find the Hidden Animal. So the answers that you find here, you will use those when you do your hidden picture here. No cheating, don't look too closely. So it says, find one of the sums below, which is a total. Then look for that total in the puzzle back here. Then color in that puzzle piece. Find all 20 sums. Color the puzzle pieces with the sums. Color in all 20 correct answers. Then name the hidden animal. It is a or an. Now, here's what I always tell kids every year. Choose one color to color the animal with. Whether it's brown or green or yellow, I would just choose one color. You'll be able to figure out the animal is a lot better if you do it that way. So you're doing the same thing that we've done on these other pages. You are adding your numbers together, same way. You can still put your little square there if you need it. So when you add together like 7 plus 4, is that more than 9? Yes, it is. We know that 7 plus 4 is 11. So I'm going ahead and putting my 11 there, putting the 1 in the ones place, and carrying it over into the tens place to make a new 10, and I'm on my way. So there you go. When you are done with your math for today, please have mom or dad or older brother and sister take a picture of your math answers, of your math sheets, and send them to Miss Staley in an email. That would be really, really helpful. That way I can correct your math because I still have report cards to do in a few weeks. Can you believe that? So good luck. Think carefully. Don't rush through this. Do your best. I know you can do it. Bye.